Hi everyone, I am Ishan and today we will make a mini project in C program and that project, this is basically a game project and this name is guessing the number. So we will start with the basics and eventually we will make some more videos on projects and we will also launch our course in C program and other languages. This is the all course we will launch are absolutely free and we will start from scratch and go to the advanced level. So to start, we will start with the coding. So first, let's move to the Visual Studio Code. We'll make a folder. Name is project underscore one dot c. Now we'll start writing the code. Uh, those who are aware of C programming, they get some idea what I'm doing, but don't worry, those who don't know about programming. We will launch a course on C programming from scratch and we will start studying from the beginning and the basics. So let's start. First we will use the header file. Those are the header files. Okay, so remove the end main, then we will go to the function. Now we will declare a variable. In the variable name is int number. Again int guess as we have to guess a number, and again we will use and guess. Why we are using and guess? Because we will use some like random numbers. We will generate random numbers. That's why we use and guess. And now what we will do is to take, and as you know that we have to generate random numbers and this will be possible with the help of SRAND strand. You will go and search about this. So for this we have to include a header file, that is hash include time.h. In our course we will teach everything from the beginning, so don't worry about the things. Now we will use srand time zero, right? So now we will use number, and number is equal to RAND modulo 100 plus 1, right? Just go through it and we will give all the description about what we are doing, right? So basically what we are doing to, we are just generating the random numbers and we will store all those numbers in the and sorry number. Now we will use loop, that is do. So what we will go to is this print f enter the number between 1, 200, right? Now we'll scan the guess variable, right? Now we'll use if else statement. If guess is less than number, then printf please choose higher number. That is like the number that you have chosen is not correct, and you have to choose the number higher than the previous number, right? So higher number. Left backslash n for new line, right? Now and again if else if guess is greater than number, if a guess is greater than number, then printf what it will print, just printf please choose lesser number, right? Lesser number. Back backslash n for the new line, right? Now what we will do, if else if then now else what it will print, else print f you got the right number, right number, access n comma and guess. Look, and guess. Okay, and guess just so that in how many attempts you got the result, it will be printed, right? Now while we have to write while guess not equal to number, mean that loop will go till the number is not equal, the guess is not equal to number, and we will return 0, right? So our program is like ready. Yeah, I have what, yeah, I have taken all and CTR process to save it, and let's run. Okay, so enter the number between 1 and 100, like let's say I have taken 34. Choose, please choose higher number. Okay, so if we choose 40, 89, right? We choose lesser 80, we choose lesser 70, 50, please choose higher 59. This game is very interesting. Higher 65, lesser it means 60, 60, higher 63, higher that means 64. You got the right answer. So you got the right answer. This game is really interesting, and you may also play this game. Just I will also provide the source code for this. Thank you for watching, and we will back soon with another project.